How to use kitchen scraps to fertilize your garden. Do not throw away your kitchen scraps, your garden loves them. Banana peels are loaded with potassium, bury them near tomatoes or peppers. Crushed eggshells add calcium and help prevent blossom end rot. Used coffee grounds are nitrogen-rich and great for acid-loving plants like blueberries. Even old tea bags can boost your soil. Just be sure to avoid oily or processed food. You can compost these scraps or apply them directly as slow-release fertilizers. It is a zero-waste win for your garden and the planet. Want to grow more using less? Subscribe to my Smart Garden YouTube channel for more eco-friendly garden tips.